Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. I'm Werbear, and today I'm going to show you how to get rid of this mirroring effect. If you're only working with one monitor, but you want to keep working with OBS on screen, it's difficult to do it with this sort of thing. So what you've got to do is come up to File, click on it, open your settings. At the top there where it says General, just come straight across and you've got Hide OBS windows from screen capture. Just tick that, click OK, and it disappears. No horse, no fuss, job's a good one. Now it's still there. You can still see it even though the people viewing can't. And just to show you, if you click on File, your drop down menu comes down. Same with Edit, View, Docs, etc. So it is still there. And if you want to bring it back, what you got to do is go again, Settings, back across to the Hide, untick that, click OK, and there we have it. We're back. I'm going to be bringing you some more tutorials over the coming weeks. And if you'd be interested in seeing them, please feel free to subscribe, drop a like, comment if there's something that you're interested in. Feel free. I'm on Twitch and you can find me there, the same name. It's twitch.tv/Werbear. Come say hi. Cheerio for now. Bye-bye.